Okay, today we are making candle holders. First part is to get yourself some little balloons, and we blew them up. I have 4 of them. And then I need, is it 4 parts water? Yeah, 4 parts water and 1 part cement to make my stuff here. So I'm gonna mix it up in this, I cut out a milk carton. And I'm gonna mix it up in here. And for cement, I have this, which is called Cement All Rapid Set. I thought that would be good because the kids like it that it settles quicker and it cures faster. Anything faster is good for a kid, right? So I poured the other, it's 4 parts of cement to 1 part of water. So we've got 2 parts, which would be, see, I was only going to use a half a red cup of water. So 1, 2, and then another cup. So I've put 2 cups of the cement in here. Here's my half a cup of water. I'm going to pour most of it in there. And I'm going to start mixing it up with these 2. I have these 2. Here, let me back up
sticks.
just a little bit. Back up. Yeah.
Large popsicle sticks. And she's going to use them to mix the water and the cement so that it's the
consistency we want.
Yeah.
The popsicle sticks I got at Walmart, and the cement I got at Home Depot. The balloons I think I got at Walmart too. They're like party balloons or something silly. Make sure that you really mix up your cement well. You don't have any dry chunks in here. Like I have a lot of dry right now. So I find the wet section and kind of drape it over the dry section and mix it in. And hope it works. Then we're gonna smear it all over the balloon. Supposedly, it will go on the balloon and then it will dry. We'll pop the balloon and it will make this wonderful candle holder that we can then decorate. All right, I made a good job on my assistant, and I've made it more watery than the concoction calls for. And here's why. I have to spread it onto a balloon. So my thought was, if it's too thick, like it was when we used it for our hands that we made cement hands out of gloves. But this time I think I want it more watery because I have to spread it onto the balloons, which I am praying works. Okay. This is a lot harder than the lady in the DIY video made it seem.
I don't like when they do that. They make it look so easy, and then when you try to do the DIY, it's actually very hard.
Yeah, they should warn you. The balloon is very fragile. The cement is very heavy. So this is very challenging, let me tell you. And it's not like a strawberry and chocolate where you can just dip this baby and have it be covered. It doesn't work like that. So I'm trying to hold it this way, thinking that it'll work better, because gravity-wise, I don't know. Okay, so there's my first one. We shall see. Can you pick up another balloon for me, assistant?
Mm-hmm. This red one.
All right. these probably shouldn't be sitting in here with that one. So we'll put them there. All right. Sorry for flicking my cement at you, young lady.
No problem.
Here we go with our second one. Supposedly these will harden and there'll be a lot of fun as a candle holder.
And when it dries, you can like pop it with something like a toothpick.
Pins. Once the cement is dried, you pop the balloon, is what my assistant is telling you, and that.
And then like if it's all around the bowl, the balloon, then you can like crack it a little bit so that it looks like an eggshell that was cracked in half, and you can paint whatever color you want on the inside.
On the inside. It's a little windy out today, so we're fighting the breeze.
This balloon almost went away.
Yeah, it's having a moment. So there's two of them kind of covered. And we'll let them dry. Hold on, I want to put a little more on this one. I came up with a whole area where there wasn't any on there. Oh, they're touching. No, don't touch each other. Okay, I have to kind of take it off my fingers. Give me a second there, honey. I want to scrape it up just a little more. When I was a young girl, my mother used to mix flour, salt, and water, and that was Play-Doh. She'd add food coloring and
to make it colored food dough. And
yeah, it was fun to play with for a while when we didn't have real Play-Doh, and then she could make it whenever we wanted. So I like projects like this because it reminds me of my mom. Now, the next one, okay, we're going to do a pink one now. Supposedly this will continue working, but we shall see. This time I'm kind of smushing it onto the balloon because it's getting harder even as we speak and is pretty much like cake batter at this point. So I'm trying to press it in without having a problem or issue with the balloon, because balloons can be temperamental, and I'm hoping and praying to God this one doesn't have an attitude problem.
And
It's all right. Stick it right there.
And then the blue one next.
If we have enough working cement left, then I will do the blue one. If not, we'll think of something else. But you could make coasters out of this, they said. Like, put a little bit in the bottom of a cup, and then when it hardens, you crack the cup away. And what it does is make like a drink coaster.
So that you can put your drink on it and it won't get the table wet or whatever you're putting your drink on.
Yeah, exactly. So that's another idea. Maybe we'll... Can you see what I'm doing? I'm sorry. I'm leaning the wrong way to show you. Yeah, it's looking like this will be the last load. Are you paying attention to what you're videotaping, girlfriend?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
It looks like we won't have enough for the blue one.
To do the blue balloon.
Yeah. You know, or maybe we could just do the bottom of it. Depends on how much of this I have left. I don't really know where to put this.
Maybe just put it in there.
I was thinking of that, and then I thought maybe I just set it right here.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. And then, now, I got a little bit left here in the bottom of my container. container. I'm scooping it up. There's not much, but I'm thinking of just putting it around the very bottom of the blue one. So that maybe I can sort of make a little tray for jewelry or whatnot. See, it won't cover the whole thing, but
Yeah, but it can be like a little jewelry thing where you can just put your jewelry on it.
yeah, a little jewelry dish or something. Get a little more water on here.
It's dripping.
Yeah, good.
Ew.
It's fine if it drips. A little rocky right there. Oh, and I lost a chunk. So, that'll be like that. I'll turn her upside down.
I'm just warning you people who are watching this, you are going to need 2 hands for this project.
Yeah. And then all I do with my extra cement stuff is throw it back into the reusable container I've got.
Reusable container of cement.
Yeah. All my little, because I get around my workplace, I usually have drop cloth or something, and I can just pick up my dried pieces of cement and throw them into here and dispose of that if I need, or reuse them. So this is what it looks like then. We've got the blue one in front of us, but it only has a little bit. Then we have the big pink one here, and that's going to be a nice
bowl.
Yeah, like that. And then we have these 2 here. Oh, shoot. The bottom fell off. Nope, leave it. I'm not gonna move them both. Just messed up this one. Ah, darn. So, I don't know if I can salvage it. I don't think I can. And the red one we're going to leave in this position for right now. So that was our project for today, and we'll be back when they're dry. We'll show you how we do the rest of it. Bye. Okay, here are the 3 that were made. Now this one, it's the one where the bottom got messed up. But I think it's going to look neat at nighttime because it'll shine through like that. And then this one, and see, I laid them on their side so that they're more like a broken egg or a cave. See? Okay, here is one. It's sitting on top of a stepping stone that the kids made. But see, I just stuck a little tea light candle in there, and you can paint the inside of it here to make it a little nicer if you want it. But I just wanted to show you how it looks now. I'm gonna have these 2 over here. Now this one sort of looks like little figurines that if I painted the inside of it, see the broken bottom that I was worried about? It gives it character. I like it. And then this one is very nice as well. But see, they are half shells. Sort of look like broken dragon eggs. And I think I really like them. Oh, sorry. So once I paint them, I'll videotape some more. But I just wanted to show you that they look nice even before you paint them. They just give it a magical glow. And I might do something special with that one.